Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Tech Stack channel. So today we'll try to explore one more new concept on the Uipath apps. So I think most of the people are aware of this, but we'll try to explore some new different topics. So first, we'll try to create how we can create the one app with the help of UiPath apps. So just log into Orchestrator. So as usual, cloud.uipath, the thing is, just log into there. Once you log in this, you can just click on this icon, or you can see somewhere else here. So just click the set these apps are coming, or you can go here and you can see this apps name. So anything you can just click here. Once you click on that, so it will launch the one page. After this, we can see this build page and run page. So whatever the after the build now, once you publish that, those things we can see here. If you want to run, or else you can go out to Orchestra and you can run. So now in this video, just we'll try and explore how we can create one sample app. That's it. Okay, just go to this create new app. So once you create on this, click on this button. So you can see this couple of the things. You can go with VB or legacy. So it depends upon you. And this public app, as of now, it's not required. And I'm giving here test application. Okay, test application. After that, click on the create button. So it will create that thing. Okay. Later, if you want, you can select the any template from here, or else you want to create the own template. Then you can choose the blank page. As of now, I'm going with this blank page. So once it's done, you can see this. This is a GUI interface of this how the application look like. If you want to see this one, for example, this is a page I want to see right away. So you can see this one thing here, preview. Just click on that preview. So it shows whatever the application you developed now, you want to see that whether how it's look like. So you want to see that one, just click on that preview. As of now, I not did anything. Now I will go back to here. Just I will add one control like button, whatever it may be. Just I want to see this button. So just I will click on this preview. After this, you can see this button here on the top side. So you can see this button. So you can click on this, whatever it may be, you can do this. So now I'm just closing this one back. So after I create this button, just assume that I create this button. So once I created this button, I want to add some events like when I click on that button, it needs to trigger something else like that. So just go to this events and create the rule. So now you can see this here, show message box title. So I will mention here, I clicked. Okay, just I click. That's it. I want to show the some message box. Just I will click on this preview. So now it's launched this. Just I clicked, and you can see this. I clicked. Okay. Now I'm clicking on this. Just I clicked. So this type of activities we can enable that events which we got events. So now after this. For example, I'm not able to drag this one. Just assume. So I want to, this button should be available here. I want to like that GUI. So for that, what we need to know, just go to this add control and you can see this some containers. So these containers having some layout. For example, you can take any container. I will take this page container. So you can see, okay, not page container. A page container, I will tell you how it looks. As of now, I go with container layout. So this is my container layout. Where is this? If I want, I can move from anywhere. I can move this one from the here, there, anywhere. So now I want to move this one. I cannot able to move. So I will just drag and drop inside. 1 second. So while creating this app, mouse clicks will won't work exactly. For example, I will click here and dragging this one, it won't work. So which activity you want to do? Not just active that panel. For example, I want to move this button. So now I will move this button. So like this. For example, I want to get something styles here. Just go this style. So you can see this. I want the horizontal or vertical. For example, I want to give the data input. So for that, I'm taking this text box. Let me put this text box. So now what I'm looking at, so the text box and button right should be the side by side. So for that, what you need to know, you need to just select this layout. So you need to make sure that you need to select this layout. Layout means the container. So if you want, you can rename that container as well. Okay, now I want to should be side by side. So if I go and select this button, it won't work. I need to select this entire the layout. So which is nothing but is container. Select. After this, you can come here, horizontal or vertical. So now it's side by side. I will move this one. Let me move this to this side, the side by side. So now I have one small issue. I don't want to see that label. So now what I will do now, I will select this particular box, the text box. I will go this general, and you can see this here label. So you can just remove that label. Now it looks makes sense for me. So my app should be like this. Okay, now uh, just I will go this here back, and I will go this styles. So after this, you want to you can check whether I need to be the middle or top or left corner or right corner, size. So a lot of the things are there. So I don't want this. I will go this as usual. Not this. I will go this. Let me select this, and I need in between. I need like this. So just I want to the GUI like this. After this, I want to add some any search icons like that. For example, I want to change the name of the set this button. So just go to this general. This is you can see this button. Just go and change as search. Okay, now I want to one more thing. So this is search is okay. Now I want to add that logo. For example, you have the search has some magnifier round shape is if you want that, just go to the styles, and where is this not in general icon. So just go to this general, and you can see this icon. So now I want to the search icon. For example, you can search the search icon. So you can see the multiple things. I need this one. Just add, you can see this one. So now I want to one more thing. For example, I want the bank application. Just assume that this is a bank application. Then I will select this bank. Okay, it's not there. Bank application, I think it's so this is the one bank. So sometimes if you type the full names, it won't come. So you need to just check whether it's coming or not and track. So now we can see this is a bank. Such icon you can changes as per your requirement. If you control Z or control Y, it will work. Now just I press the control Z. Let me so control Z it worked. Control Y it's not worked. So let me add this one. Okay, now I will control Z. So okay, it's worked. Okay, only control Z, it's working. You can see this here, undo like this. You can go with. So these kind of this we can add this, something. So and apart from this, when you go this add control, you can see this checkbox, custom HTML. You can write this drop down file uploader. For example, so, you give this some input needs to upload from the user. You have the radio buttons, and you have this displays divider grid. For example, you are doing with something data need to populate. We can use that grid. Lot of the things are there. So you can see these icons. So you can drag and drop the same things which we checked here, no? Like this you can see. So a lot of the things we can do that. Now this is fine. Now I want to just I will go here search icon. So I want to edit this rule. Okay, this is fine. Okay, now I have designed this a small layout of this. Now I want to run this. So just go to preview, and you can run it. So just come here, and you can check here. So this is a preview of your view. So if you want to directly log in, for example, why this it will helpful na? For example, you have some people in your organization, they are doing some XYZ, so they have the multiple access. Just pass this link to who want use this application. Might be you have this some restrictions as well. So who can access this link? Who do not have these links? You can do that as well. So just copy this link, and whatever it may be, you can go to that website. So directly launch that link, and you can see the same app it got. So now I will just type techie stack. Okay, after this click, already we give one event. Okay, so once I click on this search icon, when I click multiple times, it will got multiple times. And if you want to disable, okay, after 5 seconds it got disabled. I give that condition here. So where is you can see this. So auto disabled, you can see this. So like that, if you want add multiple thing, for example, I have one more thing, set value. So I mean, once I entered that value, and the same value should populate. Okay, enter value again. I will put like this, and value must be. Let me check here. Okay, I will create variable tempo variable and type. I will take it as. Okay, I will take it as text as of now. Just let it be. I will pass this temp. Okay, done. And the value should be. I will make here. Just let it be. And I will try to run this. What it will give that. Okay, now it's showing I clicked. So instead of this I clicked, I will pass that temp TEMSC. Okay, now it will show that. So you can just come here and refresh it. So the new update will automatically update. So now I click here. Okay, still it's coming. Okay, let me preview from here. So now you can see this, we created a variable and the same variable we can pass it. So like this, we can do multiple things. So going, I mean, upcoming sessions, we try to explore some more and more on these concepts. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, make sure to hit that like button, share with your friends, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to turn off notifications so you never miss an upload.